Is the clear coat on your Camry hood peeling and forming strange raised bumps? No, you cannot fix this by buffing or polishing it. Trying to use any kind of abrasive will make the problem much worse. And it will happen almost instantly. This isn't normal wear and tear from the sun. It's a deep failure in the factory paint job. The problem started the day the car was painted. The chemical bond that is supposed to lock the clear top coat to the color coat has completely failed. Think of it like a sticker where the glue has dried up. The clear layer is just sitting on the surface with nothing holding it down. This is why the failure happens even on cars that were always kept in a garage, away from the usual sun damage that makes paint oxidize and fade. The texture you can feel on the hood is the biggest clue. Normal clear coat failure from the sun turns brittle, white, and flaky. This is different. The spots on your hood are raised, and they don't feel brittle. They almost feel like a plastic cutting board. When the clear coat does peel, it comes off in flexible, gel-like sheets. You might even see tiny fiber-like structures poking through it. This specific look points to a problem during the robotic painting process at the factory. Some kind of chemical contamination or gas was likely trapped between the paint layers. This acted as a barrier, preventing the clear coat from properly bonding to the color underneath. It essentially left the clear coat in a weak, semi-cured state. This can be confusing because Toyota did use single-stage paint on certain older, non-metallic colors like super white, which had no separate clear coat at all. But if you have a metallic finish and you see these distinct layers separating, you are looking at a classic case of clear coat delamination. The layers are literally coming apart. So, what should you do? First, the most important step is to avoid making it worse. Do not use rubbing compound, do not wet sand the panel, and do not try to level the raised bumps by hand, because the bond underneath is already broken. Any attempt to buff the surface will just cause huge sheets of clear coat to lift and peel away immediately. Second, confirm the type of failure. If the clear coat is coming off in large, flexible pieces instead of tiny, brittle flakes, and you can feel that unusual raised texture, you can be certain you are dealing with a failed chemical bond, not just a worn-out surface from sun exposure. Third, understand the only real repair. There are no shortcuts for this kind of structural failure. The entire hood panel must be sanded all the way down to the bare metal or the original factory primer. A body shop has to completely remove every trace of the failed paint layers. This step is critical because any leftover material will cause the new paint to fail in the exact same way. Finally, the panel needs a complete, multi-stage professional repaint. After the hood is stripped bare, a new foundation is built. This involves applying a new primer or sealer, followed by the base color, and then multiple layers of a high-quality clear coat. Each layer must be applied with the correct flash time in between to ensure a solid, permanent chemical bond is formed from the ground up. Any attempt to spot repair this or just spray a new clear coat over the top will fail. It is a complete waste of your money because the problem is in the foundation of the paint, and that foundation must be rebuilt. So check your hood's texture before you spend anything on waxes or polishes.